welcome to my channel Code to Future. Do you know why Java is still one of the most demanded programming languages after so many years? Because Java has most powerful features that make it unique. Let's learn them today. Do you know what can be built by using Java? Here by using Java we can build web applications, mobile apps, desktop softwares and also banking and enterprise applications for larger companies. Here, how many of you know that who created Java? Here, Java was created by James Gosling and his team Sun Microsystems in the year 1994. At first, Java was created for the usage of electronic devices like televisions. But quick resolution of the society, Java became the one of the most successful programming languages ever created. Here, how many of you know that why Java became so powerful? Here, Java became so powerful because of its features. They are easy to learn because the Java code is written in simple English words which can be understandable by anyone. And it is used to develop safe applications like your phone pay applications like Paytm, Google Pay, like that. And here Java supports OOPS, which is object oriented programming software. It is a large concept we can discuss in further videos. And it also platform independent. The platform independent means a language which does not depend on its platform is known as platform independent programming language. Here, what is platform? Here, platform means the combination of both hardware and software is known as platform. Here, what is hardware? If you take your laptop as an example, you say that i3, i5, i7 like Intel 3, Intel 5, Intel 7 or Ryzen like that. Those things are hardware components. And the software is nothing but the operating systems which you are using like Windows, Linux, Macintosh, Chrome OS like this. A combination of both this hardware and software is known as platform. So here Java is platform independent, which does not depend on its platform is known as platform independent programming language. And it has most powerful libraries which does not contain any programming language in this world. And here Java is mostly used in top grade companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, Oracle and so on. Here Java is simple. Why Java is simple? I already told that Java is written in simple English words which can be understandable by human. If you see here in the real example like system.out.println hello world. That means this line of code can be understandable by anyone who knows English because it is written in simple English words. By C at the bottom, we can say like a class, public static void, if, else, for, while. These are the simple English words. By using these words, Java code is written. That's why it is simple to learn. Here, Java supports OOP. OOPS means what? Object-oriented programming software. Here, why we have to write in Java code in OOPS? Because, for example, if you are building an application which contains lakhs of lines of code in it, and by mistakenly you have done some mistake in the code and you don't know what that mistake. If you run that code means you will get lakhs or thousands of errors. To rectify those errors, it will become so much of difficult for you or for your team. So to overcome this problem, OOPS concept was introduced in Java. So it is a very great and clean concept. So we will discuss it in further. Here by using OOPS, we can organize the data in a clean manner and we can reuse the code what we have written and it provides a security and it maintains the code. That's why we are using OOPS. Here OOPS has four main pillars. They are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. These four main pillars are the major things in Java. So we can learn these concepts one by one in further videos. Here, Java is platform independent. I already discussed about this. Here, platform is the combination of both hardware and software. Hardware means Intel 3, Intel 5 like that. And software means Windows, Linux, Mac OS. If you have written the code in Windows platform like Windows Software and i3. and we can run the code in any other platform like Linux or Macintosh or Android. So that Java is platform independent. Here Java supports over a concept which means write once run anywhere. Suppose if you have written a code in VS Code or something and you have saved it like .java file. After that when you compile, the compiler converts the high level language Java code into bytecode which is .class file. After the conversion of .class file, here is special software known as Java Virtual Machine, which is used to make the Java as platform independent. Here, the bytecode will be converted into machine level language, which can be understandable by the microprocessor and provide as output. So this process is done by Java Virtual Machine. So it supports Aura, which means write once, run anywhere. And finally, Java is simple and beginner friendly, and it supports object oriented programming software. It also supports Aura, which is write once, run anywhere, and tested by many large industry giants like Google, Amazon, like that. If you want to get into an like greater company like Amazon, Google, or something like that, I think Java is the best choice for you. Thank you guys for your time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.